Hello guys, Josh here, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the lack of YouTube content recently. We were absolutely smashing it in January with like 2 or 3 uploads a week, and then something terrible happened. My car died, literally died. My timing chain slipped off and destroyed the engine. So you know what it's like trying to find cars and stuff. You have to think about what car you want, and then you're like, well, I need to go and see a few now, and all these things take up time. So that was why the YouTube content has sort of slipped a little bit over the past few weeks. But yeah, got a car now, so that's awesome. So going to be back on with the YouTube grind, and today we are going to be unboxing this mystery package from Logitech. It's not really a mystery package because I sort of know what's in it, but yeah, this is my first time working with Logitech. Sent some stuff out to me, so that's exciting. I guess I should welcome myself to the Logitech family. Thank you. You can join in if you want. Now we'll be doing a full review of the products inside here, guys. Today I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and sort of overview first impressions, because I need to polish up on my unboxing skills because they're not that great. But yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button for the full review if you're not subscribed already. So inside this box we have got the Logitech MX Master 3 mouse and something else. I'm guessing it's not just the mouse because this is a huge box. Unless they've filled it full of air, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna break it open now and have a look. Also, let's just take a moment to appreciate the packaging. This is like the special box that they send out to, I guess, YouTubers and stuff for promotions. But yeah, it's proper nice. Got some like Logitech branding on the top there and some nice binary numbers that you can see here. So very cool. But yeah, let's get it open. I'll try and make sure I keep everything in shot while I unbox this, guys. I've not really done an unboxing from this angle before, I don't think. So yeah, not really used to it. But anyway, let's take off this nice little sleeving. You can see here it says, think it, that's upside down, isn't it? Yep. Think it, master it. So yeah, sums up the Logitech MX series products. So I think it actually opens like up like that, so I'll do it from this angle, that way you guys should be able to see it. So here we go, what have we got? We've got Logitech branding again on here, got an instruction manual for the stuff, I guess. I'll tip this up so you guys can see. Yeah, got the classic Logitech aqua colouring here. Is it aqua turquoise? I don't know. But yeah, we've got a few products inside here, guys. I'm going to put this down because my arm's falling off. We have the Logitech MX Master 3 mouse, as I suspected from the front, so that is that right there. We'll get these unboxed in a moment, by the way, to have a look at them. But yeah, that's the box. So looks pretty nice. I've wanted to use one of these for ages, so they're supposed to be very, very comfortable. So we'll try that later. The other product we have got in here, the other mystery product, is the MX keys. So if you didn't already know, Logitech do like quite a few products in their MX range. But yeah, this is their wireless keyboard. So it is illuminated, which is quite, not rare, but yeah, you don't tend to see it as much in wireless keyboards. So hopefully the battery life is good. But yeah, it looks very slim. And I guess, again, focused around ergonomics, because that's what the MX brand is all about. And then the final product in here is this Logitech mouse box, or mouse, is it a mouse box? It is a mouse box, yeah. Let's go with mouse box. Yeah, to store your mouse in and carry it around with you. So as you can see, it does actually have a custom cutout specifically for the MX Master 3 mouse, I'm guessing. So yeah, you can pop it in there and protect it while you take it on flights with you and stuff. It's like a mini flight case for your mouse. So there we go, very impressive packaging. I do love nice boxes, like when you look at that, guys, it does look awesome. So yeah, thanks Logitech for sending this out. I had a very nice unboxing experience with it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. So I guess we'll start off with this, which is the case, so you guys can see it a little bit closer now. Yeah, I'll tilt it to the light. I don't know how well you can see. I'm not particularly well lit here, guys, which I'm sorry about. I'll try and get sorted with the studio. It's a bit all messed up at the moment because I'm not sure. I think I'm going to be running a table in like an L shape to my original setup, as you can kind of see. But yeah, I've not really done it properly yet and set anything up, so apologies if you're struggling to see. But yeah, this is the mouse box. Very nice. Moving on, let's have a look at the mouse. So yeah, this is the MX Master 3. So we'll grab it out of the box. Hopefully this autofocus on the camera is working as it should be. Cut this open. Super necessary karambit knife to open tiny bit of tape. That's exactly what you want. Okay, so here we go. It's a box within a box. And how does this open? Like this. Is this focusing? I really hope this is focusing. Yeah, I think it is. Okay, so inside we have some accessories here. So this is the USB cable if you need to charge it. Also inside we have the Bluetooth adapter, wireless adapter. Yeah, 2.4 gigahertz wireless. So that will come in handy. I'll have to check if it has Bluetooth as well. I'm not actually entirely sure. And this is the actual mouse. Wow, that feels so good. It's like surprisingly light for what it is, but I just put my hand around that and it gripped it so nicely. I guess that is mostly owing to this section here. All right, so very, very nice. Yeah, it does have Bluetooth, guys. It does in fact say on the bottom what it does have. And this material it's kind of like a rubberized material, but it is a bit squishy, which is cool. So very, very comfortable. I'm looking forward to using this a little bit more. Of course, it is USB-C as well. So, I mean, micro USB, that was so 2017. There's quite a bit of metal on this as well. So the scroll wheel is metal and that feels really nice. It's kind of weighted, so you can feel that there's like a bearing in there or something. But yeah, very nice. Oh, and it's infinite scroll as well. Do you know what? I love infinite scroll. I don't think I could live without infinite scroll wheels. They just make scrolling on web pages so much easier. But yeah, you guys can kind of see there. It keeps going and it makes an awesome noise as well. Sounds like a car. You've also got this wheel on the side as well. I'm not sure what this can be used for. I'm guessing you can customize what it's used for. But yeah, you got like a metal wheel on here, which is in a perfect place for your thumb. Right, let's have a look at the keyboard now then. So I think this one opens from this side. So we'll pop that open with the karambit again and get this thing open. I'm really paranoid that this camera isn't focusing. I haven't had much chance to play with the autofocus settings on it since I got it. So I'm hoping it's working. All right, so again, got the Logitech MX branding on the front. Let's get this thing open and see what it's like. Okay, so it's got quite a nice bit of weight to it actually. It does feel extremely thin. We'll put that to one side for a moment. Yeah, we've got some instructions here, I guess, on how to connect it. And there is your wireless dongle, again, to put into your PC. Put the box to one side. I'm guessing, yeah, there's a cable in here again. So the branding of the packaging, or the way they've done it, is very similar to with the mouse, which is quite nice because it's nice to see some consistency. When you're unboxing a few products from the same range. So yeah, let's open up this thing now. So it is very nicely wrapped in tissue paper, makes it feel like you're opening a gift. And here it is. So it does actually feel, despite, it's not metal, is it? No, I don't think it is. It kind of feels too heavy to be plastic, but yeah, it's very, very thin. You can see here, yeah, super duper thin. But yeah, it's got some very good weight to it at the back. Pop it on the table a second, have a little type. And yeah, they almost feel like, I don't actually own a MacBook, so I don't know 100%, but they feel a little bit like MacBook keys. The last time I used one. Probably not the latest one. I can't even remember when I last used a Mac. They just remind me of that. They have little circles in them, like indentations. So yeah, kind of similar feeling. Very quiet though, not much noise coming from these at all. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying these out properly. I'm probably going to do another setup soon, guys. So with this L-shaped table running across here, I'm planning on doing like a secondary setup that I can probably use for like productivity and things like that, and to be able to do shots in for YouTube. So yeah, this will probably be joining that setup. But first impressions, very nice. Where's the mouse gone? It's over here. Yeah, mouse feels absolutely great. Looking forward to using this. It's very high as well. You can see there, your hand goes around it pretty much perfectly. I've never really been a fan, because I've got the Logitech G502, which is a gaming mouse. But yeah, the shape is a little bit odd for productivity, I guess because it is a gaming mouse. So yeah, this one should definitely be good. So anyway, guys, that was just a quick unboxing of those few products. Thanks again to Logitech for sending these out to me. I'm looking forward to testing them. And yeah, full review will be up very soon, guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already, to make sure you stay tuned for that. And drop us a like rating on this video as well if you enjoyed. That would help me out massively. Hope you guys have an awesome week. I'll catch you all in the next one.